Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to stop bots from seeing channels on Discord. Basically what you want to do is go to a particular channel. I'm going to go edit this channel right here, go to permissions, and as you can see we are here. And if I want to disable bots from seeing this channel, so let's say I want to disable my Interpunk bot from going to this channel, so I'm just going to click on them. Or if I want to add other bots, so just add them here. Let's say this bot. So once I've added this bot, it's gonna click on view channel. I'm just gonna clear out all of these to there. Basically, if they cannot view the channel, of course they cannot manage it and stuff. But just to make sure that everything goes well, you say click on the X on all that, then click on save changes. Once you're done with that, go to that channel again. See, as you can see, the bot cannot do any, they cannot view the, so basically if I do this, commands cannot be used in this channel because I don't have permission to see it. So that basically worked, and that's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.